Assalamualaikum. My name is Ira Carmelita Naibaho from PBI2. So enjoy this video. Okay, today I'm going to present chapter 5 about lexical morphology and phonology. So guys, do you know the definition of lexical morphology and phonology? Okay, I will tell to you the definition of lexical morphology and phonology. So, the definition of lexical morphology is the process of building up new words by adding morphemes that change the meaning or part of speech of a word. And then, lexical phonology is an approach to phonology that accounts for the interaction of morphology and phonology in the word building process. So guys, lexical morphology and lexical phonology have connection to each other. Okay, let's see the next points. Next point is level ordering hypothesis. In this level ordering hypothesis, talk about which the first process between morphological and phonological process. So, the answer is it can be both. So, the example at the first is morphological process, and then at the second is phonological process. This is generally found in noun and verb. The example is in the word of bus. To make bus become plural, so we add es. It called morphological process. And then to pronounce bus plural is buses. It called phonological process. Remember, it is buses, not buses, okay? And then, how if phonological process first, and the second is morphological process? This is generally to tell the negative expression in adjective. The example is in plus rational. And then any phonological process, so the N is dissolved and then form the new word is irrational, so it's called morphological process. Okay, the next point is about zero derivation. Zero derivation is making a new word by changing the function of a word without any change in form. And then the type of conversion or zero derivation are verb to noun, adjective to verb, adjective to noun, and then noun to verb. So the example of verb to noun is to hit become a hit. And then adjective to verb is empty become to empty. And then adjective to noun, the example is a final game become a final. And then noun to verb, the example is the bite become to bite. And the last point is productivity and blocking. So productivity refers to how often a particular morpheme is used in a language. A particular morpheme is called productive if it is actively used in not only existing words but also in word formation. Example is read plus able. It's become readable. It is productive. And then game plus able. It's become gameable. But this is not productive, guys. Okay, next talk about blocking. In linguistics, blocking refers to the morphological phenomenon in which a possible forms for a word cannot surface because it blocked by another form whose features are the most appropriate to the surface form's environment. So, more basically, it may also be construed as the non-occurrence of one form due to the simple existence of another. So the example is stealer become thief, and then buyer become customer. Okay, I think that's all for me. Thanks for watching this video and sorry if any mistakes, and I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.